Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to change your TradingView time zone. This is a simple process that ensures your charts reflect the correct market hours. The quickest way to adjust your time zone is to find the current time displayed at the bottom right of your chart. Simply click on this time, and a list of available time zones will appear, allowing for a very fast selection. Another effective method involves accessing the chart settings. Look for the gear icon, typically located in the top right area of your chart interface. If you prefer, you can also right-click directly on the chart itself. This action will bring up a context menu where you can then select the settings option to proceed. Once you are inside the settings menu, you will see several tabs. Click on the symbol tab, usually found on the left-hand side. Then, scroll down through the options until you find the time zone setting. A drop-down list will be available, offering dozens of global time zones. Choose the one that best suits your location or trading needs. After making your selection, remember to click OK or Save to confirm and apply the changes. Your TradingView charts will instantly update, displaying data according to your chosen time zone. This simple adjustment is crucial for aligning your analysis with local market hours, providing you with a more accurate and effective trading perspective. Enjoy your optimized charting experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.